Ready to replace your old screen? St. Gobain ADFORS offers a specialty line of window screens that are easy to install. We have screens that provide better views, increased impact protection, resist pet damage, and more. To replace your existing screen, you will need the following: screen, spline, spline installation tool, scissors, a utility knife, and a flathead screwdriver. Optional tools include duct tape to ensure the screen lays flat and is secure to the work surface, and paper towels or a clean cloth to clean the spline channel. Step 1. Starting in a corner, begin by lifting the old spline out of the frame with a flathead screwdriver. Gently pull on the spline to remove from all 4 sides and discard. You can now remove the screen from the frame. Optional, remove dirt and debris from the spline channel using a paper towel or cloth. Step 2. Roll screen out over the frame, leaving at least 1 inch of overlay on all sides, and cut. Starting at a corner, insert an end of the new spline and begin pressing into the channel with the concave side of the spline installation tool. You can cut the spline after you complete each side, or you can keep rolling. Be sure to add tension to the screen to remove wrinkles. If wrinkles appear, remove the spline from the last side, pull the screen tighter, and respline. Step 3. Using the utility knife, trim the remaining spline. Then, starting in one corner of the frame, begin trimming the excess screen. Be careful not to slice the spline or yourself. Your screen installation is now complete, and you are ready to place it back into your window or door.